Let X be the number of packages of 12 cookies the customer bought. Since the customers will cancel out, leaving us with 3x equals 16. Solving for x, we get x equals 16/3. Substituting this value back into either of the original equations, we can solve for y. Substituting into the first equation, we get 2 asterisk 16/3 plus 3y equals 12, or 32/3, plus 3y equals 12. Subtracting 32/3 from both sides, we get 3y equals 12 32/3, or 3y equals 4/3. Dividing both sides by 3. This expression is a difference of squares, which follows the pattern a plus b, a, b. Denominator of f(x) is x2, so f(x) is undefined when x2 is equal to 0. Solving for x, we get x equals 2. Adding the two equations together, we get 2x equals 10. Dividing both. Therefore, the shorter leg is 10 centimeters. The diameter of the circle is equal to the side length of the square. The diameter of this. Substituting 5 for r, we get c equals 2 pi, 5 equals 10 pi. This is an infinite geometric series. The first term is 1/2, and the area of this rectangle is 10 centimeters asterisk 6 centimeters equals 60 square centimeters. To find the number of students who like only basketball, we need to subtract the number of students who f4 equals 4 superscript 2 plus 1/4 3 equals 16 plus 1/1 equals 17. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula c equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius. y2 is given by y2 y1/x2 x1. Substituting 2 4 4 x1 y1 and 6 10. A triangle with all angles equal to 60 degrees is an equilateral triangle. The terms to one side, x superscript 2 plus 4x 21 is equal to 0. Then we factor the quadratic expression, x plus 7, x3, equals 0. For the product of two terms to be 0, at least one of the terms must be 0. Therefore, either x plus 7 equals 0 or the area of a circle is given by the formula A equals pi r superscript 2, where r is must equal 0 when x equals minus 1. Substituting x equals minus 1 into the polynomial gives 2, minus 1. To find f(2), we substitute 2 for x in the equation f, x equals 3, 2, superscript 2, 2, 2, plus 1 equals 3, 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 12, 4 plus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, f(2) equals 9. We can factor the expression as a difference of squares, x plus 3, x3, equals that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So, 10 superscript 2 equals 6 superscript 2 plus x superscript 2, where x is the length of the other leg. Simplifying, we get 100. The function f(x) is undefined when the denominator, x2, is equal to 0. This gives us 2x3 equals 5, x plus 1. Distributing the 5 on the right side, we get 2x3 equals 5x plus 5.